Today, one long, one short. Coal India looks okay. Looks like there's some kind of a base formation on Coal India. Strong supports on 290 zone. That's the place I would put a stop on Coal India and expect it to climb to levels closer to 303. So Coal India looks up. The one stock that looks weak is Kotak Mahindra Bank. That stock, the way it's moving down and has broken the support of 691 close below it, looks like it's heading down to levels closer to 650. I would have a stop about 705 and trade short on Kotak Mahindra Bank. Looks like there's a deep cut available there. Nifty futures can be short with a stop about 6075 for a possible target on the downside of 5980. Looks weak, Nifty futures.
I would want to buy Bajaj Auto in the cash segment at 1960 levels, holding these long positions with a stop loss at 1940, expecting to book profits at 1990 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in a two-wheeler stock again, this time in Hero Honda in the cash segment at 1760 levels, holding these long positions with a stop loss at 1744 and expecting to book profits at 1788 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to buy July futures of Bharti Airtel at 327 levels, holding these long positions, so initiated with a stop loss at 323 and a target of 334 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
I would say that the banking space is looking weak. Maybe with the market it may sustain, and I would use any opportunity in case of a 100-point upside on the bank nifty to go short. 10,800 is likely to be broken sooner than later. I would use a move to 11,200 or so with a say 100-point stop loss, and I see much lower levels. And ICICI Bank is a weak stock which I see cracking down over the next few days or weeks. I have a buy in Hero Motocorp in the range of 1760 to 1750, stop loss of 1722, target of 1840. I have a buy in United Phosphorus, stop loss of 144, target 154. And I have a sell in ICICI Bank July futures for FNO traders. I would use any bit of an up move. My ideal selling range is 970 to 980, stop loss of 1005 and a target of 900.
Now my first pick is buy call on Tech Mahindra. The stock has managed to exceed its recent swing high with good volumes, which suggests that the momentum is very positive. There is absence of any sort of a divergence on the indicators, which is suggesting that the advance is not yet done and one can expect further rallies into the stock. It has a very strong support at 1110 to 1115 on the downside. One can maintain a buy with a stop loss of 1102 for an upside target of 1185. My next call is on Bajaj Auto. The stock has managed to exceed its recent important highs with a big bullish candle accompanied by above average volumes, which further confirms the breakout. It has a very strong support at 1920 to 1930 on the downside. Maintain a buy with a stop loss of 1910 for an upside target of 2125. We also expect the stock to at least test its recent highs of 2200 and probably also exceed in the long term.